Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram reel by using Canva. Okay, we are on Canva and I'm going to select the Instagram reel option. You can use any of these templates available in Canva, but first of all, I'm going to rename my video to Instagram reel and Drama Queen because I'm going to make this video for the page Drama Queen, and then I will go to the upload section and here I have uploaded my video. So I'm going to use this video, but first I'm going to edit this video. There are so many filters available, you can use any of these. I'm going to set the intensity to 40 and that looks perfect to me. Now I'm going to set this video as background. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to add a logo of Drama Queen. Here it is. And then I've added a text. You can write your own text, whatever you want to write, whatever suits your video. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I'm going to change the font style. So many fonts styles available in Canva. Let's see what suits here. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay. We will adjust the font size here. Next, I'm going to apply some effects to my fonts. I'm going to add a background to the fonts. You can change the background color, you can change the text color, you can change the text style, you can apply different effects as well on your text. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for emojis in the element section of Canva. So many options are available. Now I'm going to search for the heart emoji and here I got it. Okay. Yeah. The last one I'm going to use this emoji. I think I'm going to change the font background some other color. Yes, that looks fine. So you see, this is quite easy. You can easily create your Instagram Reels by using Canva, and Instagram Reels are really in trend now. You can easily increase your engagement by posting Instagram Reels to your account. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.